Getting in news this morning, the hijab ban case has been mentioned in Supreme Court for urgent hearing. Senior advocate Meenakshi Arora has mentioned interim application seeking permission for the girls who have not been able to attend classes to sit for exams. My colleague Anisha Mathur has more details on that story. The concern really is that many of these young girls had to drop out. What about them? What about the practical exams? A sense of direction really is what is needed, Anisha, is what you're telling us.
Well, yes, Sneha, this matter has been mentioned by Senior Advocate Meenakshi Arora asking for an urgent hearing, at least on the interim application, because what is being said on behalf of these girls now is that even though the main matter is to be heard in detail, the issue is of the fact that there are thousands of girls in Karnataka who had to drop out or stop attending classes because of the hijab ban. And what they are saying now is that we've already lost out on 1 year. There has to be an urgent hearing on our interim prayers, on our prayers to be allowed to wear the hijab while we have to attend classes or to attend the examinations, so that the more girls do not get cut out from the education system. What they're saying is that the main issue of the legality of the hijab ban, the legality of the Karnataka government orders, etc., can be heard at a later stage. But for now, as an interim measure, the girls should be allowed to wear the hijab and go to their PU colleges. So whether the court has said that they will list the matter soon, because this issue now has to go before a 3-judge bench. Remember, we had a split verdict coming in from the Supreme Court earlier on this particular matter. Therefore, this has to go before a 3-judge bench, which is why the court has said that they will consider the matter and list the matter and set up a bench to hear this as soon as possible. The examination, the practical exams in the PU colleges in Karnataka are supposed to start in mid-February, which is why this petition has been mentioned for urgent hearing. Back to you.
So you are saying that the CJI has said this matter is going to be heard soon, but really time in that sense is running out for many of these children, isn't it? Many of these young girls. So how soon can you expect that hearing, Anisha?
Well, we'll have to wait and see what the order passed from the court will be. Normally what happens is, if a matter is mentioned on a Monday, the matter gets listed for hearing by Friday or the next Monday at the latest. But in this particular situation, there has to be a 3-judge fresh bench constituted, which will have to be assigned this matter. More importantly, since the court has said that this has accepted the submission that this is an urgent issue, they could list the matter earlier, sometime this week as well. But what is also important to note is the fact that the exams are in mid-February.
Right.
Karnataka is also scheduled to have its state elections in this particular year. So this is going to be a very, very crucial matter for the court to consider. Back to you.
Thanking you for the moment, Anisha Mathur, getting us all of those details from the Supreme Court of India. The hijab ban is back in Supreme Court once again.